Hello there and welcome to REVALUE Consulting. I hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to talk to you about the EcoVadis assessment. It is likely that you have heard about EcoVadis already. They are becoming quite a famous brand in the field of sustainability worldwide. But to be honest, if you go on their website, you're probably not going to get a straight answer about what it is that they are doing and how they go about it. I think this is a pity because I think that their products are really excellent. But in any case, I'm here for you. I got you covered. And in this video, I hope that you will be able to answer the question of what the heck is EcoVadis. So let's go straight into it. So there is this thing called business sustainability. And basically what it boils down to is that companies need to address certain concerns in regards mostly to environment, but also to some social practices, business ethics, and especially supply chain that they need to manage in order to avoid liabilities and problems in general that can hamper your company's ability to sustain yourself in the long term, to remain in business for the duration. In order to address this sustainability topic, there are a lot of references, a lot of information out there in the internet and the wider community where you will find certifications, where you will find recommendations from different entities, for example, the International Labour Organization, the United Nations, etc. And they will, of course, help you to develop your management system, to develop your company so that you have the best chances to remain in business and especially to contribute to a sustainable planet. But of course, getting your head around all of this information can be quite difficult. You usually would need to hire an entire department specialized in sustainability. And therefore, I think that EcoVadis has an interesting program that helps you reach the same results, and also through an evaluation, which is a continual process of a betterment for your company, where you can benchmark yourself, where you can compare your results with other companies, and especially where you will find a series of internationally recognized best practices that you can follow and that EcoVadis will be researching and will be keeping up to date for you so that you don't have to do it on your own. Okay, but that's of course just the background. Let's get into what the EcoVadis assessment really is in of itself. Well, basically, as the name says, it is an assessment. So you are going to go through an exam and you will receive a result that tells you from 0 to 100 how well your company has adopted all the sustainability trends and all the sustainability requirements to really become a sustainable company. This evaluation, this test is done through a questionnaire that you will receive and that you will have to fill out on your own and provide adequate documentation, adequate proof from your management system so that the analyst at EcoVadis can verify and compare if the information that you are providing is actually correct and is actually true. This is a very important concept, a very important part of the assessment, because it's not simply a self-assessment or a self-examination, but it actually provides this reliability and this verification that allows the EcoVadis brand and the EcoVadis medals to really signify something and to be a reliable source of information for you and for your training partners. The assessment is very structured and the information is usually clearly provided, but of course it's a very vast topic. That's why sometimes frustration can arise and sometimes it is difficult to really concentrate all the information about the assessment in a single document or in a single space, because there are really many things that you have to take into account. The interesting thing is that EcoVadis will be researching the field for you. They will be providing those questions that correspond to the internationally recognized standards. So whenever in the questionnaire you find a question that you are being asked to comply with or to respond, rest assured that this question is there for a reason. So if you don't have a certain action or a certain policy in place at the moment, this would be an important reminder that maybe you should incorporate this into your company. So you see there, on the one hand, the EcoVadis assessment is simply going to evaluate what you have and give you a corresponding score. But at the same time, you can use this score, you can use the questions that are being asked as a guideline on what you should have in order to be a sustainable company. The evaluation process in of itself is not very complicated. As I said, you would receive a questionnaire. Everything is online. There is no actual inspection. There is nobody going to your company to verify the information. You will have to answer the questionnaire and you will have to attach the documents where you consider that this information is actually reflected and that will serve as proof that these actions, commitments, or policies are being implemented in your company. You will then send it to EcoVadis and an analyst will get around it. They will look into it. They will verify each of the responses that you give. They will check the documents and will see if the information is actually available there, it's visible there, and if it corresponds to the individual requirement that each of the questions has. If yes, you will be collecting points, let's say, and at the end of the assessment, they will then provide you a final score, an overall score for your company, but also they will divide the score then in 4 different themes that are relevant, which is environment, social practices, business ethics, and of course, also the supply chain management. So EcoVadis will disclose the individual scores for each of the themes with you. And furthermore, you will be able to verify each of the responses that you have provided, if it was accepted, if it was rejected. And in this way, you will always be able to correct or to expand for the next assessment so that you can increase your score and increase the sustainability of your company from one assessment to the next. So it is important to understand that the assessment is not a certificate. You cannot be certified as sustainable. You can only be assessed. So as you see, it's quite an easy concept. It's an easy program. I think it's very useful as a tool. It's very useful as a guideline for companies, especially those that are new to the field, that are just starting in their journey on sustainability. And this is why now I want to briefly address the utilities that EcoVadis provides that derive from having undergone the assessment. We have explained that the assessment is a useful tool for yourself because you will be able to know where you stand and you will better understand what is missing in your sustainability management system of your company in order to actually become one of the leading companies in the sector. And because EcoVadis is an independent auditor, the actual score and the medals that are sometimes associated with your score, if you have a high enough score, you will get a corresponding medal. These carry an actual significance, and these are rapidly becoming recognized on the market as a proof of reliability, as a proof of sustainability. Nowadays, you want to make sure in your supply chain that you don't incur in any risks by engaging with companies that are unreliable, that are a liability risk to you and to your brand reputation, and therefore it is helpful if you have any indication or any tool to discriminate between those companies that are actually reliable and those that are not. You can, of course, look into different certifications. So if your trading partners are certified for different ISO certification, this is, of course, an indication of their commitment towards those topics. But nowadays, the fact that a potential supplier has undergone the EcoVadis assessment is also an indication of their commitment towards sustainability, their reliability, and significantly reduces the risk factor of trading with this partner. So there is 2 sides to this coin. On one hand, if you get assessed yourself, you might be able to then advertise your results as an indication of your commitment towards sustainability. And this will distinguish your company from your competitors in the eyes of your potential customers. So you might be able to get a bigger share of the market. And on the other hand, if you look into your own supply chain and you can verify if some of your suppliers have undergone the EcoVadis assessment, you know that these suppliers are actually going to be more reliable and more trustworthy than companies that have not yet undergone the EcoVadis assessment, and therefore you have several options where you can take action. You might want to encourage your suppliers to undergo the EcoVadis assessment as well. If you are a big company, you can even pay EcoVadis for those suppliers to undergo the assessment as a way of screening your own supply chain. Well, I think that more or less sums up what EcoVadis is and what they do. Of course, they have other products that can be very useful, especially in regards to screening your supply chain. They also have a carbon module in case you want to specifically evaluate your carbon management system within your company. And I encourage you to look further into the information that is available on the website of EcoVadis if you think that this might be of interest to you. From our side at REVALUE, what we do is we offer coaching, we offer training modules to accompany those companies that want to engage with EcoVadis, that want to undergo the EcoVadis assessment so that they are best prepared to get the best possible results when they finally decide to submit to the assessment of EcoVadis. Our training program recognizes those companies that have already undergone one or several assessments with EcoVadis, and we can tailor the training program based on your needs. We can make a previous analysis to see which areas might require more training, more preparation, and you don't need to follow the entire program if you consider that you are already proficient enough in some of the areas, or you don't want to focus on those areas at this moment of the sustainability development of your company. So yeah, I hope that what we offer could be of interest to you. I encourage you also also to look into our YouTube channel, where I will be posting some small masterclasses where we address very specific topics, especially those topics related to the scoring matrices that EcoVadis uses for the assessment, so that you will understand how exactly EcoVadis allocates points to the different responses in the questionnaire, which already will help you to better understand how the assessment actually works. The training that we offer is fully available in English with me, and we, of course, also offer it in Spanish, which we are all native speakers at REVALUE Consulting. And in case you are watching this from the DACH region in Europe, I am also able to provide this same training in German, as this is my second language. Okay, a brief note about myself. I worked at EcoVadis for 2 years, trained as an analyst, but worked for 2 years as a customer service agent. And therefore, our entire training has been built around the accumulated experience of those years, addressing the specific questions of companies and being able to pick them up where they are and bring them forward in their assessment and in their overall results. If this is of interest to you, I will leave you with all our contact details, and certainly I hope to see you with us soon. But most of all, I definitely wish you best luck in your assessment if you're already committed to the EcoVadis evaluation, and keep up the good work. See you soon and good luck.